Alright guys, 2021 Subaru Forester. We're gonna demonstrate how to replace the serpentine belt on this. So what you want to do is you want to pop this cover off. It has grommets on it. This cover will come right off just like that. So it's 2 grommets. I want to put this over here. So this leather latch hooks here, hooks here, and then the 2 grommets go in here. Putting a little bit WD-40 on these works well. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to pull on this tensioner, but I got a trick for you guys. You pull on this little guy and let this meet, and you put a screwdriver through here or an Allen key, and that holds everything in place. So your belt, make sure you put a diagram on it first before anything. Your belt goes around the alternator, around this tensioner, around the crank, then it comes back up from the crank, goes to the idle pulley, goes down to AC compressor, and it comes right back up. And that's how simple it is. So let's do this together. Okay guys, let's start this together. My lighting's not gonna be the best, but here we are. Anyways, got an Allen key to go right through there. So if you can pull on this and get the Allen key right there, perfect. Okay, if not, then you need a torque. What is this? This is, I don't have a number over here. T45. Okay, T45. And what you do is you pull on that and get your Allen key where you want it at. And once you have that, remember the routing of the belt. So you're gonna take it off this idler pulley over here. Let me kind of get my lighting to work with my camera here. There you go. So this comes off and the whole belt will start to come by itself. And then you take out the whole belt. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's take it off this crank. That's how simple it is. Okay, all right, now we're gonna do the reverse procedure. So we're gonna take this belt, I would get it onto the AC compressor, and then it comes all the way to, I'm sorry, to that's a water pump down there. I'm sorry, I keep saying AC compressor. So you see how quickly I forgot the routing of this belt. That's all it takes for you to forget. Okay, it goes from here, and then it goes around the alternator, and it goes around here, it goes around the crank, and then I guess it comes up. It's gonna be obvious that you're gonna forget, okay, because it's common. Okay, there you go. I got it where I wanted it at. So pretty much it's going along good. The only thing is my lighting is not good. So to get it onto that big pulley, I gotta take it off one of the smooth pulleys, meaning it's gonna come off here. Okay, it's gonna have to come off here. So let's get it onto the crank. Oops, it's coming off everywhere. This is gonna happen, so you're gonna have to keep rerouting over and over until you get everything aligned properly. Let's pull up here, and that way there's no slack there. Let's get the compressor, I'm sorry, water pump down there, and there you have it, guys. This is looking good. And now all I need to do is get it onto, if it's not good on any of the other pulleys, it's not gonna go on to the smooth pulley easy, because it's gonna take a little bit of slack from everywhere, because it's just a perfect size for it to sit perfect everywhere. So the crank is all good here, and there you go, guys. We got it. Make sure you double check everything before we release tension. Let me check down there. So there you have it, guys. Let me get my lighting. There we have it. Okay, everything is good, nice and good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix my lighting here. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Okay, the lighting is kind of bright. Nothing I can do there. Okay, so I need to take off. Okay, this light's gonna need fixing first. There you go, it's super bright though. So I need to take out the Allen, so I need to do the same thing one more time. We're gonna pull on the tensioner. Gone the wrong way. Now I'm going the wrong way, literally. I kind of messed up on the direction, and this guy comes right off. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure you double check everything, and there's nothing wrong. It's not off any of the pulleys, and you're done. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the cover back on. Let's do that together. We're gonna bring the camera out just like that. Let's straighten it up. And to put the cover in, you simply line the tube. I showed you back there. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.